Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account. This links events across devices. Once signed in, go to Calendar. Google.com or open the mobile app so you can work in the right interface. Make sure to choose Create New Calendar from the side menu or the plus button. This keeps personal and work events separate. Name the calendar, add a description and time zone. These settings control sharing and reminders. Once done, you'll have a fresh calendar ready for events. You now add events by clicking a time slot or tapping Create. That opens the event form where you enter the what, when, and where. Be sure to set repeat rules for recurring meetings, invite guests by email, and assign notifications so you get timely reminders. Once events exist, customize colors and visibility to scan your schedule fast. Make sure to set calendar-level defaults for event duration and notifications so future entries match your workflow without extra clicks. You finish by sharing and syncing. Go to Settings, Share with specific people, and choose View or Edit permissions so collaborators see updates. Next, enable Calendar Sync on each device under Account Settings to keep everything current. If something goes wrong, first verify the calendar's time zone and that the calendar is visible in the list. Then force a manual sync and refresh the web page. If events still don't appear, check guest invitations and permission levels to ensure access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.